Okay, guys. Good evening to all of you. So, in today's lecture, I'll tell you regarding the important instruction by the Punjabi University Patiala. As you know that Punjabi University Patiala is going to conduct the exam in blended mode, right? Blended means offline and online mode, right? So some of the instructions, new instruction, Punjabi University Patiala has put on the website. We discuss one by one, right, guys?
Yeah.
Right? Okay. So this is your date sheet, huh? You are aware of that.
Yes.
MS students on second paper 1, 5th paper 2, 7th paper 3, 9th को आपका 4th पेपर होगा, ठीक है? First instruction, first the exams timing, right, sisters? Your exam timings would be 9:30
Yes,
to
yes.
1:30, 4 hours. You can ask, okay? You can ask any of the thing in between, in the middle, okay?
Yeah.
4 hours you have, okay? 4 hours is divided into the two part. One is 9:30 to 12, यानी कि 2.5 hour, 2.5 hour or 1.5 hour. So in first 2.5 hour, you have to write the questions on your answer sheet. Right? This is clear to all of you?
Questions?
Yes.
Question or answer,
Yes, sir.
sir?
Your answers from the question paper. Okay. 9:30 you will get your question paper. You have to, Sister Ida has joined. Okay, admit. 9:30 guys, you will get the question paper on the Punjabi University Patiala website. In case if you don't get the question paper, okay, it will come, it will send to you by the mail ID, by WhatsApp. So don't worry about the question paper. Okay. Around 9:30 you will get the question paper. You after 9:30 you have start writing on the answers on your answer sheet. Okay. So 2.5 hour is allotted for writing on the answer sheet. ठीक है? फिर after that from 12 to 1:30, right? 1.5 hour you have for scanning, making PDF file and sent on the sister little Teresa has joined just. Rest of the 1.5 hour you have the for scanning your paper, scanning your answer sheet, making PDF file and send on the college mail ID, respective college mail ID, right? Should I proceed?
Yes,
Right,
yes.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
मतलब इसमें हमें what we have to understand, हमें 12 बजे से पहले नहीं पेपर सेंड करना है, मेल करना है, ठीक है? ओके. मेलिंग टाइम क्या है? हाँ, मेलिंग टाइम ऑफ द पेपर, स्कैनिंग, मेकिंग PDF फाइल एंड मेलिंग इज 12 to 1:30.
12 to 1:30.
Yes, 12 to 1:30. राइट? 9:30 से 12 बजे तक आपने लिखना है.
Yeah.
उसके बाद हाँ, yes. उसके बाद आ गया नंबर सेकंड रिगार्डिंग आंसर शीट. तो आंसर शीट्स आप एक बार ये इसको पढ़ लें, आप इसको आंसर शीट को, ठीक है? ऑल स्टूडेंट्स आर इंस्ट्रक्टेड टू यूज A4 साइज शीट्स टू राइट द आंसर and has to use 16 sheets, maximum 16 sheets to write answers. Write answer on a single side of the sheet. This point is clear to you? Yeah, you want to ask any query? You have any query?
We have to write on one side only, one side of the sheet.
Sir, one
One side.
question.
हाँ जी,
Sir,
हाँ जी.
why it is any reason for this to write only one side?
Yes, sister. Because, okay,
Yeah.
it was, instructions given by the university. One side you have to write, not the other side. Right?
सर ये इस वजह से ताकि पिक्चर में कुछ प्लॉटिंग ना हो, बिकॉज हम फोटो जब खींचते हैं PDF बनाएंगे तो शायद वो आगे पीछे नजर आएगा, दैट्स व्हाई.
मैडम कई रीजन हो सकते हैं उसके ना, बिकॉज अगर सिंगल लिखा हुआ है तो आप
हाँ
उसका
जी.
प्रिंट आउट हाँ ले लो 16 शीट्स का, ठीक है? राइट?
Alright.
Okay,
मतलब
sir.
आगे पीछे ऐसे स्कैनिंग नहीं करनी है आपको, ठीक है? जैसे दिस इज द एक पेज के दो पार्ट होते हैं ना, 1 and 2, ठीक है? दिस इज वन
सर एक
पार्ट.
बार इसकी पहले वाली स्लाइड दिखाना, एक मिनट, एक बार इससे पहले वाली. अच्छा, स्कैनिंग मतलब स्कैन करना है, ऐसा नहीं है कि हम सीधा PDF बना के भेज सके, स्कैन जरूर करना है.
हाँ, स्कैन जरूर करना है.
ओके ठीक है
ठीक हो गया, राइट? तो 16 शीट्स आपने फिल करनी है, राइट? और यहां पर हम इस इंस्ट्रक्शंस में वी अंडरस्टैंड कि भाई हमें अभी नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में इट विल कम, 9 क्वेश्चंस विल कम. तो आउट ऑफ ए 9 क्वेश्चंस वी हैव टू अटेम्प्ट 4 क्वेश्चन, राइट? ठीक है वंदना मैम? तो यानी कि 1 क्वेश्चंस के लिए हमें वी हैव टू फिल एटलीस्ट 4 शीट्स.
4 sheets.
Fine, sir.
हाँ, yes. अब now your answer should be up to 4 sheets, right guys?
Sir,
Fine, sir.
sir, then
Sir,
we
what
require
about
more than 4
declaration
sheets.
consent at the end? Like at the end of every sheet, we have to do signatures and write one line.
अभी फर्स्ट मेरा चल रहा है पॉइंट, अभी मैं सेकंड पे आऊंगा, देन वी विल डिस्कस सेकंड. ठीक है? फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू और नॉट?
Sir,
Can we,
Yes, sir, it is clear.
yes,
can
sir.
we write more, sir?
हाँ जी सिस्टर शांति, यस.
Can we write more than 16?
नहीं सिस्टर, you can write only 16.
Okay, thank you.
हाँ, it was written in the Punjabi University Patiala instructions. Okay, even the college has sent you 20 sheets or 24 sheets. Okay, but you have to write in only 16 sheets.
Okay, sir, thank you.
Right, sister? Because
Okay.
why we are, we have to follow the, university rule. Huh, sister?
Yes, yes. Yes, sir, yes, thank you.
Because na, I have also checked, sister, this thing from many of the colleges. Maximum colleges, even 95% colleges, yeah, 97% colleges, they have given the 16 sheets to the students. Only 2-3 colleges they have sent you the 20 sheets, as like Swite has sent you the 20 sheets, huh? Right?
Okay. Okay.
So first point is clear to all of you,
Yes, sir.
right? Should I ask one question?
हाँ
Yeah.
जी सर.
Okay, how many questions will come in your first, second, third, fourth paper?
Total 9 questions
nine
will come
questions
and
will
4
come,
we
4
have.
to-
Four will be answered.
Total 9 questions will come, sir. We have to attend 4 questions.
नहीं,
Sir,
मेरा आंसर दो बस सिर्फ, ठीक है? First, okay, how many questions will come?
9.
9.
9, yes,
We
9
require
questions
more
will come, right? And how many questions you have to attempt?
Only 4.
4 of any of 4 of your
Excuse me, sir?
choices. 4 questions attempt करने हैं, ठीक है? Okay, और the length of one question should
Excuse
be.
me, sir.
हाँ जी,
4 pages.
We can
4
write it in 4 pages. 4 pages.
4 pages. ठीक है?
In between disconnecting your audio, sir.
Sister,
In between
okay.
disconnecting your audio, it's not clear sometimes.
Sister, actually, everybody is listening well. Okay, it can be problem from your end also. If check it once. Okay, so I have for in the first slide I have told that 9:30 to 12 o'clock you have to write the answer. 12 to 1:30 you have to scan, making PDF file and sending to the college mail ID. Right, sister?
Yeah.
This is the second slide I am discussing. The first point of the second slide I am discussing regarding answer sheet. Answer sheet should be of 16 pages. Okay, 9 questions will come in your exam. Out of a 9 question, you have to attempt 4 questions. Each question should contains at least 4 pages. Okay, sister?
Yes, sir.
Now should I go to second point?
Yes.
Okay, in your answer sheet you have to write university roll number, name of the paper, paper code, date, and write how many, when you will finish all the 15 sheets or 16 sheets. Okay, you have to write over there you have filled these sheets. Okay, 16 sheets. Suppose 2.5 hours mein some students they have filled 14 sheets. So then you have to mention on a first sheet you have filled 14 sheets. Okay, if you have filled 15 sheets, then you have to mention after writing all the paper you have filled 15 sheets. Okay,
सर ये वहाँ पे जहाँ पे 6th point है total number of pages written by candidate, वहाँ पे
Yeah.
लिखना है ना total 14
See.
जितने भी
क्या चीज पवन मैडम?
सर जो आपने आंसर शीट भेजी है ना ब्लैंक
हाँ।
आंसर, उसमें
मैंने नहीं भेजी, कॉलेज ने भेजी है आपको.
First page clearly it is written there, sir.
फर्स्ट पेज पे ना क्लियरली 6th point है, वहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है टोटल नंबर ऑफ पेजेस रिटन बाय
हाँ,
द
वहां पे लिखना है आपने. यस यस,
Like a small kids.
वहां पे लिखना है. ठीक है. और बिकॉज ना ये जो स्लाइड मैंने बनाई है ना, स्लाइड ये मैंने बनाई है अकॉर्डिंग टू द पंजाबी यूनिवर्सिटी पटियाला नोटिफिकेशन जो आया है ना अभी न्यू, उसके अकॉर्डिंग, ठीक है, राइट?
Okay, sir.
यस यस। और उसमें लिखा हुआ है इट इज रिटन यू हैव टू साइन ऑन ईच शीट, यानी कि ईच पेपर, मतलब 16 साइंस यू हैव टू डू, राइट, ऑन ईच पेपर, एंड ऑन द लास्ट शीट you have to give declaration in one line. What you have to write? I admit that, है ना, I hereby या I authorized, okay, I admit that this paper is written by me. नीचे साइन करने हैं आपको, सेल्फ अटेस्टेड। ठीक हो गया?
Fine, sir.
Clear point? Clear this point to all of
Yes.
you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Please,
हाँ,
where we have
someone-
to write, where we have to write, Lalit sir?
हाँ जी, yes sir.
At the
yes.
end.
Yes, sister, end of the sheet, right, sister? When you will finish the paper, then you have to write, I admit that, या I जो भी है declare that this paper is written by me, और नीचे फिर sign करने हैं आपने,
Okay.
ठीक है sister?
On every sheet or on last end of the page?
Only end of the sheet, only in a one line bus.
Okay.
हाँ, I declare that this is written by me, nothing else, ठीक है sister? नेक्स्ट है सिस्टर ऑन द थर्ड स्लाइड। अब ये रिगार्डिंग क्वेश्चन पेपर है, राइट? रिगार्डिंग आंसर शीट दिस पॉइंट इज क्लियर टू यू, राइट?
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट अब रिगार्डिंग क्वेश्चन पेपर, सो इट इज रिटन अकॉर्डिंग टू पंजाबी यूनिवर्सिटी पटियाला नोटिफिकेशन, पंजाबी यूनिवर्सिटी पटियाला दे हैव वेव्ड योर 50% syllabus, sorry, not syllabus, 50% attemptation. Means earlier you have to attempt 70 marks paper, now you have to attempt 35% marks paper, यानी कि आपका जो पेपर होगा 35 नंबर का आएगा। क्लियर?
Yeah.
Yes sir.
35 नंबर का पेपर आएगा। फर्स्ट पेपर भी 35 नंबर का, सेकंड पेपर भी आपका 35 नंबर का, थर्ड भी 35 और फोर्थ भी 35 नंबर का। ठीक हो गया?
Yes.
और अब उसी के अकॉर्डिंग आपने मतलब 50% आपको और छूट मिल गई है, तो 50% ही अटेम्प्ट करने हैं क्वेश्चंस आपने। यू हैव टू अटेम्प्ट 50%
Hello,
क्वेश्चंस। हाँ जी
Sir,
Yes.
I did not understand. Can you please speak in English?
ओके सिस्टर, एक्चुअली यू
Just
हैव टू
busy.
अटेम्प्ट 50% क्वेश्चंस,
Yeah.
right? 50% you have given
Yeah.
waiver from the Punjabi
Yeah.
University Patiala side, right? Okay. हाँ, read the
Yeah.
second point. If 9 question will come, then you have to solve only 4 questions, right?
Yeah.
It means
Okay. Okay.
हाँ, 50% exemption is given by the Punjabi University Patiala due to the online examination mode, right?
Okay. Okay.
Due to
Okay.
the online, yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so ये third point is not
Yeah.
for you, okay? Because third point is for
Okay.
the B.Ed student, okay?
Okay.
हाँ, second point is for
Okay.
you.
Okay.
Yes, only 9 questions will come. Out of a 9 questions, you have to attempt any of the 4 questions. Right, sister?
Got it, sir.
Got it?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes.
sir, got it.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
It means if you cover
Thank
up, it means if you cover up 50% syllabus, so then you have attempted all the 4 questions, right, sister?
Sir,
Okay.
one question I want to ask here.
हाँ जी।
Excuse me, sir.
हाँ जी,
Sir,
yes.
length should be same. Length will be same
अब
or
देखो
according to the marks.
शिल्पा मैम 16 पेजेस आएंगे, 4 क्वेश्चंस आपको करने हैं, ठीक है?
Yes.
अब आपको मालूम है अगर आप 4 पेजेस का करेंगे तो नेचुरली बात है कि आप यू विल गेट ए फुल मार्क्स।
Okay.
अगर आप कम पेजेस का करते हैं तो आपके वो टोटल मार्क्स नहीं आएंगे। अगर your question paper carries 35 marks, तो one question carries 35 divided by 4, how much? 8 सवा 8 हुआ, है ना?
Yes, sir.
तो 8 नंबर का एक पेपर आएगा, तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग यू हैव टू अटेम्प्ट 4 शीट्स, राइट?
Okay. Okay.
क्लियर? तो 9 questions will come in your paper. Out of a 9 you have to attempt any of the 4, any 4, that will not be any section. Okay, acha, here you have to understand one thing more. Okay, it is written in the instruction, please listen carefully. It is written in the instruction, candidate do not have to worry about the section, they have to ignore the section. Okay,
Okay.
if the question paper will come in section wise, right, then candidate has to ignore the section. Candidate don't has to see about section A, section B or section C. The one thing the candidate should have in the mind, out of a 9 question, candidate has to attempt only 4 question, right?
Okay.
Okay, ignore section if section comes in the
Okay,
paper.
sir. Yeah.
हाँ, क्योंकि सिस्टर क्वेश्चन पेपर पहले बन जाते हैं ना 15-20 दिन पहले. हाँ, ठीक
Yeah,
है.
yeah, understood, sir.
हाँ,
It's
you
clear,
understood ना?
yeah.
हाँ. Sometimes
Yes,
you know
yes.
question paper they have made 15-20 days before. Okay, if the question paper will come in a section A, section B and section C, so you don't have to confuse. You have to ignore the sections. You have to attempt only 4 questions of your choice. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Now some suggestions. It is a last PPT which I discussed with you with the last Sunday. You have to visit the Punjabi University Patiala site twice in a day. Okay. Make your computer, laptop, mobile okay. From where you have to give the exam. You should have facility of a power backup. Take print out your answer sheet before your exam. Download the scanner from any Play Store. Now you have practiced. You have submitted the assignment. Okay. You have all things you have practiced. Do practice of a A4 site, visit Punjabi University. This is the instruction, okay, last time I have given. Okay, sister, thank you. Mala, if you want to ask any question, okay, you can ask from me. Yes.
Sir, what about nodal officer like